Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit double cap rivets with a ZYT hand press plier. We'll start off by taking some faux leather and we're going to insert a hole cutting die into the pliers. So this is your gold base which comes with your hole cutting die set that goes into the bottom of your pliers. And this is your top die. This is only 3mm wide, as we only want the stem of the cap, or of the rivet, sorry, to go through the material. So I'm going to take my material here, I'm going to punch a hole in one side, and we'll punch a hole in the other side as well. Just like that. So now we have two holes. I'm going to unscrew the top die and take out the base die, and we're going to swap it for our fixing dies. Now both of our fixing dies for double cap rivets look the same. So there is your base die, it has no thread, it goes into the bottom. Here is your top die, which is threaded. And that screws into the top of your pliers. I'm going to fold over the material here. I'm going to take the rivet that has the stem on the end and I'm going to push that through with the stem sticking out on the other side. I'll take the cap, which looks like that, and that's going to get pushed onto the stem. Here it snaps into place. I'm going to place that in between the two dies, so let's sit that on the base die, and I'm just going to hold my material in place and then we can compress. And now you can see that's made a permanent fixing in between those pieces of material.